Good morning, this is Sarah from Blue Ridge Literacy, continuing with citizenship lesson plans. Today we will be learning about Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is a famous man in American history. He had many ideas for this country. Benjamin Franklin started the first free public library. Benjamin Franklin was the first Postmaster General. Benjamin Franklin was a diplomat to France. Benjamin Franklin was the oldest member of the Constitutional Convention. Benjamin Franklin signed the U.S. Constitution. So Benjamin Franklin is indeed a very important person in American history. One of the civics questions, question number 68, what is one thing Benjamin Franklin is famous for? So here are your options: public library, postmaster general, diplomat, member of Constitutional Convention, signed the U.S. Constitution. So again, it's very important to know a little about Benjamin Franklin. The Constitution is an important document. A document is a very important paper. This is the Constitution. After the War of Independence, the country needed new rules. The Founding Fathers met at the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia. This is a picture of the members at the Constitutional Convention. The Constitution was written in 1787. 9 states had to pass the Constitution. Some Americans did not agree with the Constitution. The Federalist Papers pushed the states to pass the Constitution. The Federalist Paper is another important document that helped people understand why the Constitution is so important for the United States of America. 3 people wrote the Federalist Papers: Alexander Hamilton, James Madison, John Jay. These 3 men wrote the Federalist Papers. Again, the Federalist Papers helped everyone understand why the Constitution is so important to our country. Question number 67 of the civics questions. The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Who is one of the writers? Again, you have those 3 men as options: Madison, Hamilton, and John Jay. Most of my students choose to remember John Jay. In 1790, all 13 states passed the Constitution. We follow the same Constitution today. The first 3 words of the Constitution are "We the People." You can see that in big print. We the people. The first 3 words of the Constitution. Question number 3. The idea of self-government is in the first three words of the Constitution. What are these words? We the people. We the people means Americans have self-government. The U.S. citizens elect their representatives to the government. The U.S. government makes the country's laws. Every person's rights and freedoms are protected by law. For example, freedom of speech is one important right for everyone in America. Question 12. What is the rule of law? Everyone must obey the law. Leaders must obey the law. Governments must obey the law. No one is above the law. So again, what is the rule of law? Everyone must obey or follow the law. Question 1. What is the supreme law of the land? The Constitution. So you can think of the Constitution as a document of laws. These are the original laws. So let's review what we learned today. Today, we learned about Benjamin Franklin, or Franklin. This is what he looks like. Benjamin Franklin started the first free libraries. Benjamin Franklin was the first postmaster general. He was the diplomat to France. Benjamin Franklin was the oldest member of the Constitutional Convention. Benjamin Franklin signed the U.S. Constitution. Let's see if we can find his signature at the bottom of the U.S. Constitution. You can see the signatures are very small. This is to sign. To sign. Many people signed the U.S. Constitution. Benjamin Franklin also signed the U.S. Constitution. Can you find his name? That's all for today with Benjamin Franklin. Thank you.